I don't even know whether I'm in shot.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares.
Probably not. How can we fix that? Hello and welcome to experiment time. So, we've mentioned it previously. I think it might have been on where I put the shampoo. Oh, I think I've left it in the house. I'll be back in 2 ticks. I'm back. So I mentioned previously I'm going to see if we can use this coconut shampoo to clean up the seats for Jenny. Now I've just grabbed one at headrests because it's comparatively grimy like the rest of it is, and there's some muck in them thread bits there. Don't worry about these bits, I'll sort them out afterwards somehow. But yeah, I want to try to see if we can use this to clean these. Now I don't know whether to put this in here or to put this on here and spray it with water. First I think I need to put this on my drill thingy, which is here. What are you doing down there? Oh my god. So with any luck, this proves to be a valuable way of doing stuff, and saves time and has a good result. So right then, I'm gonna try putting water on, and then the shampoo thing. Or should I put the shampoo bit on first? Put the shampoo bit on first. I suppose I should get a towel ready to dry it off. Oh, you'll do. So, a little bit of... Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Looks like someone's had a slug on there. Right, let's get this done.
I wonder if I talk slow, but speed it up, you can tell what I'm saying.
So we've got some water on there, we've got some shampoo on there, we've got a spinny brush man. Let's see how this works. Put a bit more water on. It's not very ergonomically friendly, this job. They're only soft bristles, these, so they shouldn't damage anything. Right, let's put a bit of water on and then give it a wipe off and see what we look like. See if it looks any different. It's hard to tell. I mean, that looks a bit grey to me, which suggests that dirt's coming off. The cloth's fairly clean. So that's the side we've just cleaned. And that's the other side. To me, from here, it looks cleaner. What about that bit? Then right that side. Just took the muck out of there. So what I think I'll do next is exactly the same on this side, and then I'll put this little one on, and I'll go over the top and round the what's the name? It's not threads. Seams, around the seams. So yeah, let's have a go at that. Just checking you're still recording. Right, maybe we can put this. Bit of water like before. And off we go. It's not very. This is not an easy job. The reason why I'm doing this because I read that any shampoo should do the same job. Yeah, any shampoo should really do the same job, whether it's car interior shampoo or normal human shampoo. Not shampoo made from humans. I don't know what that's for. Yeah, as I say, coconut oil is supposed to be really good for leather products, and that seems a very pure coconut shampoo. So for that's £5. I don't know how that works out against actual interior shampoo, but I just thought I'd do it this way, just for an experiment, if nothing else. I should have done some before photographs so I could see exactly what difference it was making. I can't remember which side I did first now. Oh, this side is the one I've just done. That's maybe a good side. So it looks fairly clean. So I've not done that top bit. We shall do that now. And for that I will change brushkis to this tiny little brushki. Oh look, this foam everywhere. Bloody hell, Simon. Can't take you anywhere. put a little bit on this time. There we go. It's this. I don't know whether you can see. We put it near at camera. It's very pearlescent. This. I mean, you're not going to be able to see it. The actual shampoo is very pearlescent. If that interests anybody, if anybody's in a club where you find pearlescent products, then talk about them. Then I've found them. Right, let's give that a wipe over. See what it looks like. Well, let's have a look. I don't see any issues with that on there. Some bits of the blanket thing. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It seems to work all right. Smells of coconut. So the next thing is to let it dry off and put some of this stuff on. I always do that and it gets stuck in your hair. So, instructions: apply with a cloth in circular motions, buff with a dry cloth to finish. Okay. Well, that's fairly easy. After I did do a bit of a excuse me, talking when I unboxed this, because I said that I'd ordered it from Dirt Busters, and when it came, it had got ignition transmission all over it, and there is a QR code for you to scan to go to their website, but my phone chucked up a thing that's saying, "Oh, this isn't very secure." So we're like, "Oh, I don't know." So I went on and googled it separately, and yeah, it's basically it's Dirt Busters automobile range, so they kind of like rebranded it. In fact, I wonder if I take this off, I wonder if it's got Dirt Busters underneath it. No, it's just white. It's just white. But it's not stuck on very well anyway. I could have done a better job of that. You should employ me to put your sticker. I mean, look at that, it's all crumpled. Let's see if we can sort that out. This could turn into a feature. Pimp my tin. Pimp my tin by sticking the sticker on properly. There you go, that weren't hard, were it? Transmission, ignition. No, ignition, transmission. Just stick your sticker on properly. And there's another bit under there. That just means that people... I'm just going to peel that back to see if that's another sticker. It means people have a better impression of your product. Because my first impression was... well, this don't look as good as it did on picture. I know it's only packaging, but there we go. It's all stuck on properly now. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, Dirtbusters are doing a car line. So they've basically arranged everything into sort of stages. So like there'll be stage 1 cleaning products, stage 2, 3, 4 finishing and stuff. So if you go on the website, it actually looks a lot better than this. But yeah, the quality of the sticking stuff is a bit rubbish, and to be honest, the stickers are a bit crap as well. It's not very well printed, but we can excuse them if it's good product. I saw someone reviewing the Dirtbusters one, which I assume is exactly the same, just the stickers different, and they said it was very good. So I assume we're going to have the same experience.